I want to know what is the length of this line. I have the line right here. I know it's the diagonal line, so I can't just count boxes up and down because it's not straight up and down. I also can't count boxes left and right because it's not straight left and right. So I'm going to have to use a special equation. I have two options here. This one here, this is called the midpoint formula. So that's not what I want. I want this one right here. This is for the equation of the length of a line. So what do I put in here? These are the x values, these are the y values. All right, so let me find the x values of the two ends of this line. So this end right here, let me follow it back. Right there, that's 4. This one right here, let me follow it back. Right there, that's 5. All right, so these numbers here are 4 and 5. Let me find the y values now. These two ends, we follow them back to the y-axis. That's 2. This one right here, let me follow it back. That's -1. So these 2 points are 2 and -1. Now, here and here, these numbers here are always going to be 2. So I'm going to put a 2 right there and a 2 right there. I'm almost done. I'm just going to have to do some math and figure out what number goes right there. All right. So I've already done the math right here. So let me just explain what I'm doing here. All right, so 4 minus 5, 2 minus -1. I'm just copying this right here into that down there. All right, 4 minus 5 is -1. 2 minus -1, these two minuses turn into positives, is actually 2 plus 1, that's a 3. -1 squared is 1, 3 squared is 9, 1 plus 9 is 10. My answer is the square root of 10. I'm not sure how to take the square root of 10, but I notice that right here, I just enter the square root of something, and that something is 10. And that's my answer.